Hi guys, thanks a lot for inviting me here, and it's great to be amongst all your franchisees and franchisees. And I was just before I came to this speaker session, I was looking at the different opportunities out, and I was really amazed at the kind of opportunity which lies in herein. Quite a good work by Franchise India to bring them all together and giving an opportunity to network with each other, which I think is a phenomenal task and a phenomenal enabler for the business to grow. Okay, I'm going to talk about the future of funding. So while Padmaja and Sunil both have given a very detailed perspective on angel funding, and we know that a lot of startups need that fuel to grow. But incidentally, if you look at the world today, a new revolution is coming up, and there is a new source of funding which is coming up, and coming up like how? If I look at numbers, that source of funding has helped more than 1 million business ideas to take more than $10 billion in a span of just 3 years. And can you guess what is that source of funding? Anyone? Sorry? So that source of funding is crowd. That source of funding is once again going back to the customer, because ultimately it's customer which funds your business, and with crowdfunding is nothing else, no rocket science. It's just about going back to your customer and asking him for funding your business before your business starts. I think that is what crowdfunding is all about. It's about powering your own belief, and it's about community funding. It's about letting your potential customers fund your growth. It's a very simple phenomenon. All we are saying is that if today I am opening a spa franchisee, I am saying that today if I have to go and raise funding with investors or with other people because I need money to start my spa, why can't I do it? Why can't I look at it from a very different perspective? Why can't I say that, okay, today I have got 1,000 friends on my Facebook. Today, if I'm opening in one specific area and there are about 1,000 potential customers which I've identified who will come to my spa, today, why can't I go to them and tell them, sir, I'm going to open a spa. Can I offer you a 1-year package in advance? Will you please buy that 1-year package in advance so that I get my money and I can start this spa? That's it. That is what crowdfunding can do for you. So all you're doing is pre-ordering, all you're doing is pre-selling, all you're doing is building your market and asking your customers to be convinced in you, to believe in you, and to give you the money for the services in advance. That is what crowdfunding does, and that is what can give you and open a totally new source of funding for you to start mobilizing all that you need to start the franchisee network. So I think that is, in very simple terms, crowdfunding has been doing globally. Obviously, we have a lot more advanced models. Today we are talking about equity-based crowdfunding. Today we are talking about investor-based crowdfunding, wherein you can actually go out to 1,000 people, and those 1,000 people can take a small pie of your business and fund your business. However, in India, that is still to come, because while SEBI on one hand have recognized the potential of crowdfunding as the future of funding, they have come out with draft regulations with respect to investment-based crowdfunding, and I'm sure that very soon it will become a proper rules, and this will even further grow the market. But before that happens, there is no one. We already are working on a reward-based crowdfunding model, which is what I precisely told you about, which is all about pre-ordering and asking your own social network and your own social community to fund your business and to help you get started. I think that is what crowdfunding does. That is what we at Catapult are trying to help you do. Indeed, we are coming out with a new version of Catapult very soon, and we're trying to bring together the whole power of collaboration which you can do with your communities. So besides the crowdfunding, the platform can also help you to crowdsource, which means that it can now help you to not only look for funding, it can also help you to look out for your potential employees or for your potential architects, potential designers, which you may need to build your franchisee outlet. And we are also trying to build a network of hybrid funding, wherein we realize that if you're looking out for a certain large amount of funds, which may not come only from a consumer side of it, we may also gel that with what angel investors are offering, and hence we can create a win-win model wherein angel investors can see that okay, there are consumers who are trusting in you, who are already paying you even before you have started out your franchisee, and hence there is a market trust which is already built in your business, which will then convince those angel investors like Padmaja and Sunil sir to be able to see that yes, you have been able to build that early market traction, and hence they'll be more open to look at your business to invest. And the other way around, if there are already angel investors who are supporting your idea, your consumers will also be more convinced of buying your services and giving you pre-orders. Indeed, today we are in an age globally. What is happening is that there are a lot of ideas which have already got their angel funding by angel investors, but still they're going to a crowdfunding platform, and the reason is because they realize that crowdfunding is not about funding, it's more about marketing. International research basically today shows that for every $1 of crowdfunding you raise, you actually raise equivalent to $10 of currency, because you actually get those $9 of money when you interact with your potential customers, when you engage with your potential customers, when you are able to take a feedback from your potential customers and improve your product before you will launch that product in market. So I think that is how crowdfunding is shaping up the future of funding in India and in global markets. We'll be more than happy to help potential franchisors and franchisees to look at the possibility which crowdfunding can bring for you. So I think from my side that was all. Let's open the floor for Q&A.